Hi friends, I hope you and everyone around you are safe and in good health. Today in this video, I'm going to share unbiased Menix.store reviews and will let you know is Menix.store legit or a scam website. But before starting guys, let me tell you that it is not a sponsored video, neither this website is owned by me. So by the end of this video, you will get to know whether you should buy products from this website or not. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that Menix store offers jackets, men's shirts, kids wear and much more. And guys, here we can see that the prices of all these products are too good to believe. So before buying anything from Menix store, let's check its authenticity. And before proceeding further, friends, I would request you all to like, share and subscribe my channel because it will help you guys to get the notification each time when I upload some informative videos on my channel. Now let's proceed to know information related to payments. So here we can see that the available payment options are Discover, MasterCard, Maestro, PayPal and Visa. Now let's check the shipping policy. So guys, here we can see that they have just stated that the shipping is free. Apart from this, shipping and delivery time is not stated anywhere, which is quite a negative point. Now let's have a look on return and refund policies. So guys, here we can see that their return policy lasts for 7 days only, and refund if applicable will be initiated in the original mode of payment within 8 to 10 working days. And apart from this guys, talking about the cancellation policy, so here we can see that Menix store accepts cancellations at any time before the order has been dispatched. Moving on to check the way to contact them. So here we can see that address, contact number and 2 email IDs are provided, out of which one does not matches with the domain name, which is quite a negative point. Also guys, here I would like to inform you that the given contact number is switched off, so you won't be able to make calls. So again, it's a red flag. And in addition to this, social media links are misleading as these links do not redirect the customers on the official social media page of Menix store, which again is a negative point. Therefore, now let's proceed to check the registration details. So guys, here we can see that Menix store was registered on 11th August 2021. Thus the website does not have much traffic as it is new and is not much popular among the people. Therefore, now let's proceed to check the content quality of Menix.store. Moving on to check the content quality. So guys, here we can see that 79% of the content over this website is copied from other shopping websites, which again is a negative highlight. Moving on to check the customer reviews. So guys, here on the official website you will see that there is no section for customers feedback. So let's check the customer reviews over the reliable sites on the internet. So guys, here we can see that one customer review is available where a customer have stated that Menix store is totally a scam. Although much details is not shared by the customer that why Menix store is a scam, but this statement is in itself sufficient for all of us to think twice before buying anything from this shopping website. So guys, closer look at Menix.store reveals many red flags, and based on all these red flags, I would suggest all the viewers not to buy any product from this shopping website as there are high chances of receiving low quality goods or nothing at all. So guys, that was all about the authenticity of Menix.store. And friends, if you have ever ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below so that other viewers get to know about your shopping experience with this seller. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to protect yourself from online fraud. Bye bye guys, stay informed, stay alert.